Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐿 and the video here is of a Daihatsu Hijet. This is an older shape one, but still very clean and tidy. It's also a dump truck. If I come inside here straight away, you can see the dump button is there behind the safety cover, and it's also got rear axle lock as well. Come here, you can see it's done 22,000 kilometers, and that's about 15,000 miles, a little bit less maybe. 5-speed manual, high-low range, air conditioning, and it's got a fully enclosed cabin. So this will be sold in the US for off-road use only, and it's in competition with ATVs, which in comparison with those vehicles, this has got probably a lot more spec. As I mentioned, air conditioning, a closed cabin, heater, you can stay cool, warm, dry. It's got high-low range, you've got some pretty steep hills, 5-speed manual, even got a driver's airbag. So I'll just demonstrate the dump using this button. Lift the flap and press up. Off it goes pretty fast. So there, it's an electric hydraulic system on this one with a nice strong ram there. See the underside of the tray, it's in good condition. Some of you will notice this is a tray that is actually normally looks like a standard body one, so it doesn't have the gravity gate on the back, but it is a bit lighter, so it doesn't weigh the truck down so much, and no one can tell it's a dump truck until you do that as well. So that's a pretty useful feature. Got 3 side drops. Under here you can see no rust, no problems, slight bit of dust, that's all. In the passenger side, clean and tidy, no problems. And you'll see around the cabin, no dents on the cabin, no damage. Headlights nice and clear, it's in pretty good condition. So this vehicle will be shipped out soon. It's coming to the US. If you'd like to buy this one like this, or you'd want to be a distributor for us in the US, have a look on our website. That's 𝐷𝐴𝐼MINI.com, and you'll see a lot of information on there about how to do those things. Thank you very much for watching.